Is your shower head dripping for a few seconds after you turn it off? Or does it keep leaking no matter how long you wait? That difference tells you exactly where the problem actually is. A brief drip that stops within a minute is usually just water draining out of the head and pipe after shutoff, especially with larger or rainfall-style heads. That's normal and doesn't need repair. If the drip never stops, the water is still being pushed through the valve, which means the valve itself isn't sealing, not the shower head. Turn off the water supply to the bathroom, remove the valve handle, and take out the cartridge or stem. Inspect it for cracks, flattening, or mineral buildup that's keeping it from closing fully. A worn cartridge or valve seat is the most common cause of a shower that won't fully stop, and replacing it with an exact match for your valve brand usually solves it completely. Only if you notice water leaking from the threaded joint where the shower head connects to the arm, not from the nozzles themselves, should you unscrew the head and check the washer inside that connection. Replace a cracked or missing washer, wrap the arm's threads with plumber's tape, and reattach the head by hand before a final quarter turn with a wrench. This fixes a leak at the connection, but it won't stop water still flowing through to the nozzles. Clean mineral buildup from the valve components with vinegar and a soft brush before reassembling, since deposits alone can keep a seal from closing. Test after each step so you know which fix actually solved your specific drip. Like this video before you reach for a wrench, so you check the valve first, not just the head.